Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you all how to make the famous crunchy munchy Diwali snack butter murukku, which you can make in just 5 minutes. Friends, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Now come, let's get started. For making butter murukku, I have taken 1 cup of rice flour. You can get 300 grams of murukkus with this quantity. To this add fried gram flour 3 tablespoons and add gram flour of besan or kadala mavu 2 tablespoons. To this add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of white sesame seeds, or you can use even black sesame seeds, and add 1/8 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder followed by unsalted butter 2 tablespoons. Let it be in soft condition and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix well without adding water initially. Now add water gradually like this, little by little. Don't add water at a stretch. You may require about 3/4 cup of water approximately. Now you have to bring it to chapati dough consistency, so knead the dough till that. Now this is the perfect consistency, not so dry or too wet. This is the perfect consistency for murukku. This is murukku press. I have fixed single star plate into it. Now put the dough into the murukku press like this. Now check if the dough comes out in perfect shape like this. This is how it should be, directly fried in oil. For beginners, there is another method. I'll show you that method also. Place a perforated spatula over a plate, grease it with some oil and squeeze out the dough on the spatula. You can just place the spatula into the oil and fry. Since we have greased it, the dough will easily fall into the oil without getting stuck to the spatula. Now heat oil in a pan and fry a small piece of dough to check if the oil has reached the perfect temperature. Now squeeze out the dough like this. The oil should not be too hot. Fry the murukkus over a slow to medium flame. Never fry over a high flame, and if the oil is too hot, then the murukkus will not get cooked inside and will get brown very soon. So once the oil gets heated, completely simmer the stove, squeeze out the dough and fry them over a slow flame. Now they are done and fried to golden brown. Remove them and drain them with a colander. Let them cool completely in room temperature, after which you can store them in an airtight container. Never cover them when they are hot, otherwise they will turn soft. This is how beginners can fry the murukkus. Just gently place the spatula into the hot oil like this. The dough will leave the spatula and get fried, and you can gently remove the spatula from the oil. The dough, most importantly, while squeezing out the dough from the murukku press, both your palms should be dry and should never be oily. Otherwise, the murukku press may slip out of your hands and may fall into the hot oil, and the oil may, splash on your face. So be very careful while directly frying in oil. Otherwise, you can use the safe spatula method. You can squeeze out on 3 to 4 spatulas at a time and fry. Here you go, our crunchy and delicious butter murukkus are ready. Not too hard and not too soft, just the perfect texture with ultimate taste and flavor. Friends, please try this easy and delectable butter murukku recipe this Diwali and enjoy with your nears and dears. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. Happy Diwali to you all. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.